In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Argos Insurance. To get started, head to the Argos Insurance homepage. From there, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your client portal. If you don't have portal access, or if you prefer direct help, you can also contact your Argos Insurance agent. In many cases, policy updates, additions, and account changes can be handled right inside the client center. So that's usually the fastest place to begin. Once you're signed in or connected with an agent, request that you'd like to add a policy. This could be for auto insurance, home insurance, renter's insurance, or commercial insurance, depending on what you need. Be clear about the type of coverage you want to add so the process moves smoothly and you receive the most accurate quote. Next, you'll need to provide the required information. The exact details may vary depending on the kind of policy you're adding, but in general, you should be prepared to share your personal details along with any relevant property or vehicle information. If you're adding auto insurance, you may also need to provide driver information. And if you've had coverage before, previous insurance details may be requested as well. It's a good idea to have this information ready ahead of time because that can make the application process much quicker and help avoid delays. After your information has been submitted, Argos Insurance will provide a quote. Take a moment to review it carefully. This is where you'll want to look at the coverage limits, deductibles, and any important policy terms so you understand exactly what is included. If anything is unclear, this is the best time to ask for clarification before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the quote, confirm the coverage you want and complete the required payment. This step finalizes the policy addition and ensures your new coverage can be activated according to the insurer's process and effective date. Finally, after everything has been processed, you'll receive your updated policy documents. These are typically sent by email or made available through the client portal. Be sure to review those documents and keep a copy for your records so you can easily reference your coverage later if needed. And that's how to add Argos Insurance. If you follow these steps carefully and have your information ready in advance, the process should be straightforward and easy to complete.